Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to delete all your emails on the application of Gmail. So to do that, just follow me step by step. At first, you have to go to your Gmail app, as you see, and you will click here. After that, in this page, you will have the sign here. In that sign here, you can choose your Gmail or your email that you want to delete messages from. So for example, I choose this email, and just to be clear, if you click to delete all your messages, be careful to not delete your important messages. For example, if this message is important for you and you don't want to delete it, you have to do this sign of star like this to save it. And after that, you will click here like this, and you click on select all except your important messages, and after that you will click here on that sign of delete like this. So as you see, all your messages will be deleted without exception. And if you want to save your important messages, just do the step that I showed to you, is to add a star to it like this. And as you see here, when you go to start messages, here you will find them. If you go to snooze or to send messages or emails, scheduled here, scheduled emails, you will not find any email here. And to be sure that you delete all your emails, you will go to this sign of all mails like this. As you see here, we have already another emails that need to be deleted. You click here and you click on this sign of select all again, and after that you click here to delete everything. So here also, when you go to trash, you'll find the messages that gone to trash. Here we click on select all and you click here to empty trash now, as you see, to make sure that you delete your emails forever like this. Here we click empty. So that's it. That's how you can delete all your emails from Gmail app in that way. So if you enjoy the video and if this video helped you, just don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.